Hey everyone, this is Nick with Advanced Age Management, located right here in Medina on Route 18 with Dr. John Coca and Troy Napster. So a question we get all the time is, what is a new patient consultation like? And the answer is, it's very simple, and it's actually completely free of charge. And so your first day you get here, we're gonna talk about symptoms. So maybe fatigue, weight gain, decreased libido, maybe a decline in exercise tolerance, or even mental clarity, sharpness, and focus. We're gonna break down those symptoms for you, do a health history, summarize any prescription medication, over-the-counter supplementation, talk about nutrition, sleep, and exercise as well. From that point, we're just gonna do a quick in-office blood draw and ship everything out to LabCorp, and it usually takes about 5 or 6 days to get everything back. If you have health insurance, we'll just use that for the processing of your labs. Same thing if you went to Cleveland Clinic or any other hospital. Or if you don't have health insurance, we can have an account bill set up for you as well, which takes care of everything regardless of insurance. And so about 5 or 6 days later, we'll get the results back in. We'll get you back in the office. And Troy Napster, who's our PA, medical supervisor, and owner, will personally spend an hour with you just going through every single detail of your health. And so those details will range from complete metabolic panels, complete blood counts, lipid panel, liver function, kidney function, your prostate health. We'll check for tumors and cancers. And then we'll tie in an endocrinology style panel as well. So we'll check hormones as far as testosterone, estrogen, growth hormone, DHEA, thyroid function. And from that point, there's a ton of things we can do based on any deficiencies with vitamins, minerals, or hormones. So if you feel like you'd be a great patient for our program, feel free to call me directly at 234-217-0224. You can shoot me an email at advancedagemanagement@gmail.com, or you can sign up for a completely free consultation at www.lowtohio.com. Thank you.